Welcome to this ToolHound Learning Center video where we'll look at how to reset your password when you've lost it or change your own password quickly and easily without involving your ToolHound administrator. If you have forgotten your password, you can reset it from the login page. Click Forgot Reset Password. Enter the company and your username, then click Submit. Open the Reset Password email and click the link. This opens a ToolHound page where you can enter and save your new password. You can then log in with your newly created password. You can change your password when you're already logged in by clicking on your username at the top right of the page and clicking Change Password. Enter your current password, then enter and confirm the new password you wish to use. Click Save and remember to use this new password the next time you log in. Thanks for watching this video from the ToolHound Learning Center. For any questions, contact our support team, and remember, subscribe and hit the notification bell.